Here, taking a look at Caspa, we're going to take a look and see if this correction is over. We got a breakout starting here, all right? Breaking out of resistance. The whole market looks like it's ready to go. So we're going to come right back here and take a look at this chart in a second. I want to show you the crypto bubbles. Here's for the week. Look at these, 20, 30. Look at Fetch. I called that out in Discord. I just got out. Could have a wave 4 pulling back and then a 5th wave up. A lot of it. Look at PopCap, 56%. Crazy. Sats up 36.7. Some nice moves. All right, and on the day, here we go. There's Fetch at 23. Man, that was a good trade. Congratulations to everybody that took it in Discord. That was a good one. A lot of stuff popping, man. A lot of stuff popping. I mean, this is great. Gala, I said that bottom was just about in. Myro, called that long out. Congratulations on everybody who took that. Just some nice stuff going on in the market. All right, nice big breakouts. And we got up here. Check this out. The crypto industry accounts for almost half of all corporate donations in 2024. The crypto industry accounts for almost half of corporate donations to elections. And it doesn't matter, regardless of the party, it says. They've donated 119 million out of 248 million has come from the crypto industry. 119 out of 248 out of corporate donations has come from crypto. Isn't that crazy? The China could be about to drop a $420 billion, bomb on the industry. They're talking about putting stimulus out like they did in America in 2021. Well, they're talking about doing it in China now because the banks, the crisis they're in over there. Bitcoin price taps 62,000 sell wall as analyst sees up only for crypto. Me also. We talked about this a few weeks ago. If we look at this, the total market cap of crypto completed the ABC structure. The weekly RSIs heading to the upside. All right, we talked about this. That's the total market cap. All right, now if we come over here and take a look here, let me check this out. You gotta see this stuff, guys. The total too, it completed its ABC. All right here. I posted this a couple weeks ago in the videos. The weekly now has turned to the upside. The total 3. This is all the crypto excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this includes Caspa, all your coins except Bitcoin and ETH. Completed ABC structure. All right, everything. All the total market caps have completed ABCs. All the weekly RSIs are heading to the upside. And if we break out of these wedges that are forming, this is going to be huge. I mean, look at the total market cap here. All right, let me open this up. All right, look at this. Look at this wedge forming here. All right, we got 1, 2 touches. We'll have a third touch, and it'll be the breakout more than likely. On the bottom, you have numerous touches down through here. All right, yeah, it's looking absolutely fantastic, guys. I mean, the ABC structures are complete everywhere. That would be typical of a fourth wave. Fourth waves are ABCs. And I've been talking about this for a long time. Those of you that watch the channel and know this, looking for that right up through there. Let's turn that color so you can see it better. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave. All right, these are going to be massive breakouts when they come, and we're headed that way. Bitcoin. Poking its head up out of this wedge. Look at this. Look at this move. The measured move for this thing is up, between 69, 70,000 bucks. All right, you got it's coming up on a 702 right now on this whole move right here. Okay, from the high back here on July 24th or July 29th. I'm sorry. This high right here. It's going to get right back up near that high, right? But it's hitting the 702 right now, the main breakout area, the 702 fib. It's just about there, all right? And if you zoom on this a little bit tighter, you can see a wave count right in here, right? I love my Elliott waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. All right, so you can see a 5th wave coming up here, maybe an ABC, and then a continuation, another 5 waves up, You know, but regardless, the measured move of this thing, and I took this right from inside here, that measurement right there, put it right here in the breakout, and you know, they're between 69, 70,000 bucks. All right, and if you're interested, guys, I'm sorry to show this, but it keeps the channel going. It really does. If you're interested in the level 3 membership, learning how to draw these trend lines, look at charts, use your fibs, look for price targets, sign up for level 3. It's only 15 bucks. You get 10 hours of videos and a link to the Discord to come trade with us. We have over 200 members in there. I'd appreciate it if you checked it out. Thank you so much. All right, now we got Caspa breaking out of this wedge here. All right, poking its head up out of here. If we zoom out here on a daily, all right, we have this massive wedge here, this rising wedge type figure that we talked about numerous times here. Remember, we talked about the RSI getting down there into them levels, and every time it gets into them levels, we have this massive upswing. You remember that? I believe that was on, I think it was on a weekly. It was on a weekly chart, right here. And once again, you know, Caspa, you know, hasn't been to these levels. It's only been lower than this one other time on the RSI, and it did this move right here, this big massive move. We're the second lowest it's ever been, right here, right where we're starting here. You know, so every time we get down, you know, it comes down. We have these massive runs up. All right, you know, this massive run up here. It doesn't look massive till you measure it. All right, you got to remember this is when Caspa was 3 cents. All right, so from the bottom to the top, you're talking a 65% move roughly right there. All right, this one here was a lot more. This one here I think was 260%. Yeah, 260. All right, you can see these are big, huge moves. All right, I didn't even put this one in there, or I just erased it. So you can have massive, massive moves when the RSI gets this oversold, and we are in that zone. Okay, now we have the weekly RSI, but turning back towards the upside. You can see the turn happening right here. All right, you have the 5-day turning up in bullish, 22 and a 19. You have the 3-day. Right on the bottom, bullish, 5 and a 4. Then you have your daily turning back up, 47.5 and a 47.6. Just about turn bullish again. All right, we have the break of this wedge. What would be the measured move for this thing? All right, we have the 12-hour turning back up, looks great. The 8-hour looks fantastic. All right, the measured move for this. All right, you can see 1, 2, 3 touches on the bottom, 1, 2, 3. 4 touches on top roughly. All right, we're going to be we'll take the measured move from right here. All right, measure the width of the wedge, put it on the breakout. That puts us right back up at the bottom of this massive wedge we were just talking about. Look at that, puts us right back near the bottom. All right, so what we want is obviously a break through that, back into this wedge and back up the upside. All right, so maybe, you know, and who knows, these measurements aren't always 100% correct. It could bust back into this wedge and keep going. Or it could smash into this wedge, ABC, come back and retest maybe this high here I've been talking about, which 17.4. I want to see that taken out. It looks like it's going to more than likely take that out. All right, if you're looking for breakouts, what you want to do, you know, go on a 12-hour, look at your run down, look at your first highest high right here. Okay, put a line across it. If it gets past that, you got a breakout. All right, as soon as it pokes its head above that, man, go long. You know, not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Just my opinion. All right, but anything pokes its head above that's like this high here setting on August 14th, I'm taking a long. I'm in it. All right, now, you know, obviously a break of a wedge formation, something like this, or what Bitcoin has going on over here, that is obviously a breakout. Okay, Bitcoin's breaking out of this wedge here, and 9 out of 10 times it completes the measured move. So maybe we come up, smash into the bottom of this ABC, and then start a new 5 waves up here. But looks like the correction, it looks like no more downside here. Right, and I'm pretty much rolling this out. Doesn't look like no fake out at all. on the 1 hour. We did have a moment there that it did look like a fake out to me on this 15 minute. Look at this. All right, you had this run up. This was a bearish engulfing candle. All right, you had your green bullish engulfing candle, and then this whole thing turned red. Looked like a total fake out. All right, and then it pulled the whole way back down here, and then finally bounced up out of here. All right, so you can see it looked like a fake out, and I posted that over in Discord. Be careful, this could be a fake out. All right, when you had that, but you can see the long wick on the bottom of it here, where the price sucked back up, and then the next 15-minute candle started over here. But it did pull back pretty hard actually. Pulled right back down towards that 200, and then started back up out of here. So it is looking pretty good right now. Caspa, like I said, on the 12-hour here, we got the 12 and the 8 and the 4. 12's headed up. The 8 is still headed up. The 4-hour right at the very top here. But you can see in here also, we like counting waves on this channel for sure. Love counting my Elliott waves. You got a 1, 2. This looks like a 3rd wave. Maybe a retest and a bounce for a 5th wave up here. We'll see how it plays out. I'm just drawing that on there. But congratulations, everybody. Looks like Caspa's at least heading up towards around 18 cents here. 17 and a half to 18 cents, the measured move here. So looks like we got a pretty good move starting. If you were in Discord and you jumped on this, you're looking at on a 10x. Wow. On a 10x, you're looking at on a 10x, yeah, 100%, doubling your money on a trade like this. So if you had 1,000 on it, you're looking at making 1,000, making $1,000, on just hitting a button, riding it up here. All right, that's on a 10x. I like taking 20 and 30x's, so I'll be looking at doubling my money or tripling it up here. So if you have 1,000 in it, you could, you're looking at making 1,000 or 2 just off one trade, man. That's the nice thing. It don't always work like that, guys. It's not that easy. All right, I'm just making it sound like, oh, you just hit up, just watch it and trade. But if you can win, 7 out of 10 or 6 out of 10. Even 50% at the time. If you can win 50% of the time, technically less than that, you can be a profitable trader. So it's just getting in the right trades. That's the big thing, obviously. But nice. Like I said, watch your prior high over here on the cryptos that you own, and watch for it to take that out. And unless you have a wedge forming up or a fallen wedge or whatever you got, some kind of pattern going on, you get a breakout. But everything looks like it's heading to the upside. I mean, it really does. Bitcoin looks good right now. The whole market is looking absolutely fantastic. For the month, we still got some work to do, obviously, to get some moves back here. But congratulations, everybody. Looking great out there. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.